Guess what's new in the fitness room?
What?
QR codes. We now have scannable QR codes on almost all of our exercise equipment in the fitness room.
But what are QR codes?
A QR code is a specific matrix barcode, or two-dimensional code, readable by dedicated QR barcode readers and camera phones. Luckily, most smartphones such as the iPhone or any Android-based phone will allow you to download a free QR scanner via an app store. If you want to come and work out, but are unsure of how to use the exercise equipment, simply open the application on your phone, scan the code located on the exercise equipment, and a YouTube video will automatically pop up with PSU fitness experts explaining how to perform the correct exercise for that piece of equipment. If you are too shy and don't want people to know you're new in the fitness room, scan them on the go and no one has to know. So come down to the fitness room and learn how to use all of our awesome equipment we have here with the click of a button.